Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Sky Devices is probably one of the most anticipated smartphone releases of the year, and for good reason. Sky Devices has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in mobile technology, offering innovative features and sleek designs that appeal to a wide range of users. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest advancements or a casual user seeking a reliable and stylish device, Sky Devices aims to deliver an exceptional experience that blends cutting-edge performance with user-friendly functionality, making it a strong contender in the competitive smartphone market. Number 5. BLAVOR 10,000 mAh Solar Power Bank. For over a decade, BLAVOR has been a leader in solar power banks, earning the trust of millions worldwide. We are committed to using only the highest grade materials to ensure the most reliable and safe products for your adventures. Experience the latest in charging technology with our USB-C 20W fast charging. It can power up your iPhone to 65% in just 30 minutes without any damage. Plus, you can charge 3 devices simultaneously, ensuring you're never without power. We use a safer lithium-cobalt battery, offering 50% more charging cycles than standard batteries. It's the smallest and lightest real-rated 10,000 mAh charger available, capable of multiple charges for your phone and tablet. Crafted with flame-retardant materials and waterproof silicone, it's built to last. The soft touch coating provides a comfortable grip and an exquisite look, making it a pleasure to use. This portable solar charger is designed for any adventure, featuring IPX5 waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof capabilities. It includes dual flashlights and a compass carabiner for added safety, making it the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts. What we like. This power bank is built for the adventurer. With its solar charging capability, you can stay powered up even off the grid. If you love camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity where power outlets are scarce, this is the perfect companion for you. Its rugged design and dual flashlights also add to its utility in the wild. What people say. The 10,000 mAh capacity is just right, not too bulky, yet powerful enough to charge my phone 2 to 3 times on a single full charge. One of the standout features is the built-in wireless charging capability. It's surprisingly strong and responsive. I just place my phone on the back of the unit, and it starts charging immediately. The solar panel feature isn't just a gimmick, it genuinely works. Of course, it's not a primary charging method, it charges more slowly via sunlight, but for emergency backup or extended time in the wilderness, it's a game changer. Number 4. Nickelodeon Paw Patrol Me Reader Electronic Reader. Get ready for adventure with your favorite pups from Nickelodeon's Paw Patrol. This electronic reader brings the excitement right to your fingertips. With this interactive Me Reader, you can read along with 8 exciting sound books. It's a fun way to engage with stories and characters you love. Join Chase, Sky, Marshall, and all their friends on thrilling missions. Each book is packed with action and sounds that bring the stories to life. Designed for young readers, this electronic device is easy to hold and operate. It makes storytime an interactive and enjoyable experience for everyone. This library of books offers endless entertainment. Explore new worlds and exciting tales with the Paw Patrol crew, anytime, anywhere. Looking for a gift that combines reading and fun? This Paw Patrol Me Reader is sure to be a hit with any young fan of the show. What we like. Ignite a love for reading in your little ones with this interactive library. Featuring beloved characters and engaging sounds, it makes learning fun and exciting. If you're looking for a way to introduce your child to books or keep them entertained during quiet time, this set is an excellent choice. It's perfect for preschoolers and young children who are just starting their reading journey. What people say. The electronic reader and sound buttons make it so fun for my child to follow along with the story. Featuring Chase, Sky, Marshall, and other beloved characters from Paw Patrol, it's an exciting experience for my little one. The reader is easy for kids to navigate and helps them engage with the books on their own. Number 3. Custom Controllerzz Stormy Sky's Xbox Controller. Elevate your gaming experience with this custom controller. It's the perfect addition to your PC, Xbox One, or Xbox Series XS console. We use only brand new Microsoft controllers as the base for our custom designs. You can be confident you're getting a top quality product every time. With over 10 years of experience, we offer a 90-day warranty against manufacturing defects. We're here to help resolve any issues you may encounter. Our process begins with an official Microsoft controller, enhanced with our unique custom shell. After rigorous testing, it's ready for you. Make a statement with this unique and eye-catching custom controller. Stand out from the crowd and impress your friends with your personalized setup. What we like. Elevate your gaming experience with a controller that truly stands out. This custom controller offers a unique aesthetic and a comfortable, soft-touch feel for extended play. If you're a gamer who values both style and performance, and wants to make a statement on your console, this is the perfect upgrade. It's designed for those who want their gear to be as unique as their playstyle. What people say. Works so far. Looks great, delivered quickly and packaged well. Flawless coloring, great grip, works flawlessly. Looked exactly like the picture. Number 2. Drone Sky Hook for DJI Mavic 2. Introducing a revolutionary device designed to expand the capabilities of your DJI Mavic 2. This innovative accessory opens up a world of new possibilities for your drone. From drone fishing and bait release to delivering essential loads and aiding in search and rescue missions, this tool is incredibly versatile. It even adds a new dimension of fun to your aerial adventures. Specifically engineered for all models of the DJI Mavic 2, it seamlessly integrates with your existing drone. Experience enhanced functionality without compromising performance. This groundbreaking technology is protected by a US patent, ensuring you're getting a unique and advanced solution. Trust in its reliable and innovative design. Discover the difference this attachment can make. It's the perfect addition for professionals and hobbyists looking to push the boundaries of what's possible with their drone. Its intuitive design makes it easy to attach and operate, allowing you to focus on your mission. Get ready to experience a new level of control and utility. What we like. Unlock new possibilities for your DJI Mavic 2 drone with this professional release device. It's designed for a variety of specialized tasks, from fishing bait deployment to critical search and rescue operations. If you're a professional drone pilot looking to expand your drone's capabilities for commercial or emergency use, this accessory is a must-have. It offers precision and reliability for demanding missions. What people say. The best part is that it's easy to install on a Mavic 2, Zoom or Pro, within minutes and doesn't require any special tools or screws. All the wires conveniently attach to the Mavic arms with clips and don't risk getting caught in the prop blades. The 3D printed mounting arms securely attach the drop device to the Mavic. The servo was very reliable when activated by the photodiode. I chose this unit because I really liked the underslung design. It was carefully thought out in my opinion. The unit itself works as advertised, either pirouette the Model 2 revolutions counterclockwise, or clip on the included nav LED sensor, program the Go 4 app to toggle the nav LEDs with the TXC1 or C2 buttons. Number 1. Drone Sky Hook for DJI Mavic Pro. Introducing a revolutionary device designed to expand the capabilities of your DJI Mavic Pro. It's engineered for precision, reliability, and safety in professional drone operations. This device seamlessly integrates with your drone without any tools required. It ensures all sensors remain operational, maintaining optimal flight stability and aerodynamics for peak performance. Experience unparalleled mission flexibility with dual-mode control. You can trigger payload release using your remote controller or a YAW maneuver, offering unlimited range and operational redundancy. Crafted from high-strength materials, this ultralight accessory weighs just 1.9 ounces. It's engineered to maintain your drone's balance, flight time, and drop accuracy. Built with US patented engineering, this device provides unmatched precision for professional drone missions. It's ideal for applications like drone fishing, bait release, and search and rescue. Enjoy complete peace of mind with free lifetime technical support and a 1-year warranty. This ensures total confidence and long-term reliability for your investment. What we like. This professional device offers unparalleled versatility for your DJI Mavic 1 Pro Platinum. With dual-mode control and effortless tool-free mounting, it's designed for maximum mission flexibility and ease of use. If you need a reliable payload release system for tasks like drone fishing, load delivery, or search and rescue, and you value both performance and convenience, this is the ideal solution. Its lightweight design ensures minimal impact on your drone's flight. What people say. The phone has a good battery life, lasting all day with moderate use. The camera takes clear and vibrant photos, especially in good lighting conditions. The display is bright and sharp, making videos and games look great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.